Don't forget to check out my Patreon where we have exclusive content for groups such as Twice, 17, Red Velvet, Blackpink, NCT, Super M, Shiny, AT, Stray Kids, and so much more, along with K-dramas, concerts, and other variety shows. Hey guys, Angie, and today we have beep blooper, Bubble Up, Ready, Set, Go. Why is this title? Wow. Try to treat. No, we're just gonna go with it. See my mistakes. It's cool. Buckle up, ready, set, go. Mix Explore, episode 1 of Pick and Mix. God, that was a mouthful. I've been waiting for this moment because it's perfect. Because it's kind of right now. It's probably the coldest it's been. Actually, yeah, this is the coolest it's been all year. Last year, like all winter. It's like 20-something degrees. It's been freezing. My hands have been red. Right now they're fine, but they've been red. I was on the phone with my mom, and like I was like, "Okay, mom, my hand's frozen." And I like hung up, and I like my hand was just kind of stuck like this. And I don't know if you've ever walked a dog while your hand's frozen, but he's a tugger. He likes to tug. He likes to be a little menace, and it like hurts because it's like rope. And like you're holding, I don't know, like my hands just get frozen so easily. I'll take my dog out for like 5 minutes to like rush him, like come on, just go, and I'll be freezing still. But yeah, I just think it's winter time and this looks fun. So yeah, I think I saw some things they've done for the comeback this year. Just let me know about other things. I'm trying to like find stuff. I think they've been releasing things recently, so looking forward to it, but I do want to watch this, so let's hop into the video. It's January! Why am I so excited about that? I'm in a great mood today, just let me be. I've made a very, what's the word? Last minute. What's it called when you do something without thinking? Well, I guess I'm thinking because I haven't done it yet. Drastic decision? The thesaurus out, aka Google. Doing without thinking. Impulsive. I know that word. It just impulsive decision to cut bangs again. Should I do it? No. But I'm gonna try to do curtain bangs? Or like, I'm watching this video. This girl's bangs. Can I do it? Probably not. Probably not. I just, you know when you just see a lot of things and everyone looks good in them and then you want to do it? Yes. FOMO. I had bangs. Now the bangs I did, I think maybe just didn't suit me. So maybe if I go with lighter bangs, I don't know, we'll see. But I may not do it, so. Kuromi! Who has the Kuromi? Is it a bag, I think? It's my first NMIXX trip. Like, show to watch. I love it. They all look cute. I love all the stuffed animals. This is my girlies. Like, I would be joining them. The Kuromi. I got this for Christmas. Ain't she adorable? My god, it's so soft. Well, my dad sends me money. He doesn't buy me things for Christmas. He just sends me like money and he says go buy something and let me know what you get. Which, hey, more dads should do that. Well, he also doesn't live with me. Like, I can tell my mom what I want. He just sends me money. So I use the money to get that. He said, alright, if it makes you happy. It does. Oh, so it's an overnight trip. We love it. Wait, no spoilers. But no spoilers. My god, no spoilers. This looks great. I get to see, because I'm used to seeing funny things with them. So to see something a bit more cozy, Just them in their element. This is the intro, it's cute. Dun, dun, dun. I love her yellow jacket. Oh! We're literally watching this a year later, but you know what? It's cool.
야, 우리 6명이서 차 오랜만에 같이 탔다.
그러니까요. 원래는 항상 셋째 나와서 타는데.
원래 이렇게 추울 때
That makes sense, though.
따다 붙여서 다녀야 돼.
우와, 신난다.
Buddy, 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 pretty little whiskey buddy.
움직인대.
와, 출발한다, 출발한다.
JYP에서 안녕. 우린 떠나.
안녕. Oh my god.
여러분 벨트가 이 벨트가 아니고 여기 벨트라서 잘 안 보이는데요. 여기에 잘 하고 있어요. 맞아요. 여기.
밖에 진짜 추워 보인다. 겨울이니까 그렇겠지.
겨울이니까 아이스 커피. 짜장면 먹고 싶다, 짜장면.
짜장면.
나 중식 안 먹은 지 진짜 오래됐어요.
맞아,
우리.
나도.
맛있겠다. 맞아, 이번에 맛있는 거 많이 먹자. 좋아요.
요리 잘하는 사람.
난 베이의 요리 실력이 기대되는 걸.
아, 기대된다. 야호, 나도 내 노래 실력 기대되는 걸. 기대돼. 해봐야겠어. 그러면 베이는 요리 담당이면 나는 불 붙이는 담당을 해야 돼.
불 붙이는데 없어라.
꼭 바베큐 할 수 있는 곳이 있었으면 좋겠네. 그리고 내가 불을 붙여줄게. 왜냐면 나는 불 붙인 적이 있거든.
Well, they're already planning it. This is my crew here.
아, 그래 대부분 아빠가 해주긴 했지만
아.
음식은 나도 같이 했어.
경험이 있네.
맞아.
She's an experienced girl. She's like, I've done this. Don't worry. I can see Lily. No spoilers. My god. Stop spoiling. Stop. No. Stop.
고기 잘 구워?
몰라요. 한 번도 안 해봤어요.
아니야, 지효 언니 고기 구워본 적 있잖아요.
언제?
우리 옛날에 영상 통화하면서 언니 집에서 고기 구웠잖아요.
아 맞다.
기억나죠?
프라이팬에.
그래. 좋아.
But does she remember? Apparently not. So would I trust her? Nope.
일단 우리 플랜을 짜봐야 된다고요.
I feel like Lily was a Girl Scout.
뭐 할지.
하여튼 제이 아니랄까 봐.
Is it called Girl Scouts in Australia?
우리 팀의 제일한 장규진밖에 없어.
Dude, why is she saying it like that?
1박 2일이잖아요. 1박 2일은 너무 짧으니까 우리가 정말 그 시간을 알차게 써야 해요.
Exactly, yes.
짜잔. 자, 여러분 보이세요?
No. What's gone wrong?
일단 가서 짐을 풀고
역시 NMIXX는 집단적 독백.
진짜 자기야.
할 말만.
I already deadass the Haewon was sleeping because she has said not a word. She's gonna use this time to properly sleep, I guess.
다 자기만의 세상에 빠져있지.
Talkative members in the back.
자기만의 세계.
Oh, it's Toy Story. I thought that was Pokemon for a second. Her phone case.
방송 말투 나왔다. 방송 말투.
이팀.
야, 우리 앞으로 방송.
Call it out, call it out.
하면 한 대씩 딱콩하기.
와,
방송 말투 3번 나오면 설거지해.
야, 그래 방송 말투 3번 나오면 설거지해.
설거지 된다.
지금부터 카운트 하나, 둘, 셋.
아무도 말 안 하는 거 아니야?
그러니까 갑자기 조용해.
지금부터 말 안 해 그냥.
갑자기 무서워졌다.
무서워요 언니.
아, 설거지 하고 싶지 않거든. 뭔가 많이 나올 것 같아.
I know this is stupid.
근데 저는 사실
This is a me thing. It just genuinely upsets me. They put idols on trips, but then
아니 이건 아니야.
they have to do dishes. No, listen. I get it. It's all part of, but like, they're idols. Yeah, they're privileged in many ways. But it hurts me to see people on a trip do dishes. I'm like, no, either get them paper plates or have the staff do it. Because I just want, it's like it kind of hurts me seeing people waste time. when that's their time to chill, relax. I also hate watching, like, I don't hate watching them cook. It depends on the group, but like, I hate that they have to cook. But I know some people just genuinely like to cook, and there are like 17 happily cook all throughout their shows, and I'm like, it's 17, so I only enjoy it because it's them. If it was other groups, I'd probably just not watch those shows. But I enjoy also there's so many of them, so like while some of them are cooking, there's other people doing things, so it will cut back and forth. So with the cooking thing, some people genuinely enjoy doing it. No one likes doing the dishes. You're gonna say, I like doing the dishes. Fine, you like doing the dishes. But do you like doing the dishes on a trip where you are busy all the time? It's like your only day off, really? You don't want to do the dishes. So I'm like, can someone just do the dishes for them? Like, why? Like, and I know it's only like 10 minutes of doing it, but I just want them to have fun. Anyways, rant over. It hurts me to see idols on a vacation and half the time they're doing dishes.
평소에도 이렇게 말해?
맞아요.
아니야. 김지호 방송 말고.
은근한 뉘앙스가
And it is true, like it actually would probably take longer than 10 minutes because they accumulate so many dishes because there's 6 of them. Like even a family of 4, like there's not that many dishes.
장규진 1회.
Why is Haewon giving grandma energy in this video?
그럼 아무 말도 못 하는 건가?
아니 계속 말해서 삶을 채우면 돼.
그러면 한 번 할게요.
하세요.
아 방송용 말투로?
네, 저희가 리얼리티 촬영 이번에 처음 해보잖아요. 그래. 그래서 나는 보통 이런 로망이 있었거든.
Chujin's been bias wrecking me recently.
그림의 로망은 일단 겨울이니까 아주 귀여운 잠옷을 따뜻한 잠옷을 입고 노는
That's
거랑
adorable.
그리고 사진도 많이 찍고 그리고 우리 꼬기를 꼭
I relate to
먹어봐야
her
돼.
so much here.
꼬기를 꼭 카메라 찍고.
Besides that part.
카메라 찍고.
와 맞아 언니 카메라 갖고 왔잖아.
That is so cute. What?
나 카메라 갖고 왔어.
또 거기에
What camera? Someone tell me what camera this is. I'm not a camera girly, but
정말 좋겠다. 그리고 우리
You make me one.
불 지펴서 고구마랑
고구마.
I'm now a sweet potato addict.
give me some more.
I don't like s'mores. I'm sorry, I don't like chocolate, and I don't really love marshmallows unless it's in hot cocoa.
네, 전 플랜.
So like that's literally like the least favorite thing ever. Hyujin's me. If I had a group of 5 friends, I would be the one telling us what we're all doing. Be like, okay guys, we gotta play this game and do this. Right, I'm gonna be seeing who's the cooks of the group and stuff. It's hard to Googling.
와 여러분 이제 300m 남았대요. 완전 산 쪽이다.
완전 살냐.
우와 여기는 완전 눈이 쌓였네.
와우. 오.
우와. 우와 계곡물 막 얼었어. 근데 되게 예쁘게 얼지 않았어요?
우리 이따 가위바위보해서 저희 계곡 빠지기. 아! 발담구기.
It looks like art.
우와 너무 신기해.
시냇물이
이거 보세요. 계곡물이 정말 예쁘게 얼었어.
여기 그 대학생들 MT 많이 온. 우리도 약간 활동 전에 MT 온 기분으로 놀다.
좋아요.
도착인 건가?
우와 대박.
다 왔어.
우와.
다 왔어.
일어나자 병. 도착했다 병.
아, 찬 공기다. 냉동실보다 더 추운 것 같아.
각자 짐들 챙겨서
가즈.
It's not often I see idols go on a trip in the winter, so actually, or at least where it's snowing.
우와.
So this is actually interesting. I
이거 거울
would rather not.
거기서 한번 찍읍시다. 빨리 추우니까 빨리 모여.
Well, maybe I would, but I wouldn't go outside. That's cute.
그러니까 위에. 아, 나 너무 설레.
야 여기 치킨 판다 치킨 시켜 먹자. 치킨 판다. 야 진짜 여행 온 거 같아.
완전.
우와 이거 되게 좋다 여기.
숙소 열어볼게요 여러분.
네.
야 뭐야 좋을 거 같아.
Oh, someone help Lily. My god. Oh my god, she's struggling. I relate. I've done that.
있어. 뭐야? 야 뭐야?
Why?
스풀 있어.
Y'all better not go in that pool. I guess if it's warm.
김이 모락모락 나요.
야 가위바위보.
Yeah, they're not going in it. Everyone's here for chaos.
인형.
야 뭐야? 좋아.
Oh, she's so cute. Oh,
야 진짜 미쳤다 여기.
why is she adorable?
와 대박. 대박이다.
아니 왜 이렇게 예뻐?
와.
The fact they're gonna be outside and cold, I simply can't relate. Like, I couldn't enjoy it.
귀여워.
I told you, my hands freeze.
예쁘게 생겼다. 아니 예쁜데? 열려라 참깨. 와 열렸다. 와 열렸다.
They cheered before they even saw it.
진짜 귀여워. 와.
Oh, okay, that's why.
너무 귀여운데? 귀엽다. 우리
Those are
빨리
cute.
사진 찍어요.
I like they got two different colors.
우와 우와 날로 있어.
This is cute.
뭐야 이거? 밑에 게임도 있어. 밑에 게임. 난로라니. 난로라니. 여러분 벽난로 있어. 벽난로.
Oh, she's so
내가
happy.
원했던 거야. 너무 예쁘게 생겼다.
아니 여기 뭐야 요리하는 사람.
어머.
진솔 언니 여기 짱코 부엌.
Sobe and Ju.
보시는데 진짜?
Obey did say earlier.
이런 거 원래 한번 열어줘야 된다고. 그러니까 아무것도 없어도 열어줘야 된다고. 물이 가득해요.
물이 가득해요. 물이 아주 가득해요.
They looked so disappointed. It upset me. Did they have to go shopping? Wow, he looks so pretty.
여기 샤워실이에요.
Shower room? Shower room? Shoot.
아니
Not even a
굳이-
bathroom, shower room.
굳이 밖에서 안 해도 여기서 스파해도 되겠는데?
Oh, I thought that was Haewon.
여기가
I need to know who has the kurami.
그래 야 이거다.
Oh, are we all sleeping in the same bed?
침대방인 거.
Sharing a bed. Oh, okay. Well, I guess this is cute. I'd be very claustrophobic. Like someone on both sides? Like sharing a bed with one person is one thing. I would be sleeping against the wall because I need to like sleep by my side and I don't want someone's face right there. If I share a bed, I it's like back to back usually.
여기 살고 싶어. 우리 숙소 여기로 바꾸자. 그래.
우리 숙소 여기로 하면 안 돼? 진짜 좋은데?
야 밥이나 차려봐라. 난 좀 쉬겠다.
제가 간식 뽑아드릴게요.
난 좀 쉴게.
이게 뭐야? 여기 당 떨어질 때 먹을 수 있는 뽑기. 그러니까. 야, 저기 좋은데?
나 진짜
너무 귀엽다. 나도 뽑기 할래.
동전.
아싸.
혜연이.
So this is adorable. Can I see?
맛있는 거 뽑아주세요.
나도. 시간 초과? 시간 뭐라 불러? 시간이 조금밖에 없네.
맛있는 거 뽑아줘. 너무 어려워. 안 뽑으면 큰일 나요.
I want to see. They didn't put a camera there.
배고파. 맛있는 거 뽑아줘.
되게 어렵네.
야 너네도 빨리 응원해 빨리. 빨라.
This is funny.
뭐야 빨리.
좋아요.
근데 이거 진짜 어려워.
나도.
야미.
난 그 레몬 그걸.
Oh, I love Lily's nails. I had nails very similar to that.
아이고 보시는 분들 정말 답답하시겠다. 죄송합니다. 진짜. 제발.
진짜.
주세요. 안 돼. 나 진짜 망하고 있어.
언니는 못하네.
진짜 어렵다. 새콤달콤이 안 뽑혀. 안 뽑혀.
Well, it seems like I'm surprised it even works. That voice.
언니 어렵죠?
근데 여기 사이로 자꾸 빠져나가는데 얘가?
맞아요. 집게 사이로 빠져요.
I love the way she
지연이 진짜
speaks.
잘했다.
Where's she from?
제가 끝내도록 할게요.
I don't think she's from Busan. It didn't sound like Busan dialect, but sour caramel? It might have been Seoleon where born.
이거 못 여나?
Daejun.
그럴 수 있을 듯? 이렇게 봐.
안 되냐?
집게
됐다.
했어.
우와, 아니 주유. 물어보면 바로 뭐야? 주네?
야, 너 잘한다.
야, 너
So she may be speaking with a dialect. I don't know, maybe that's just the way she talks though. The cheesy grin.
잘해?
That cheesy grin.
결혼하자.
야 멋있다. 나 멋있다.
당 충전된다. 여러분 우리
This is how they make idols diet. They put the candy in. I'm just kidding.
자, 여러분 발을 맞대주세요.
네.
하나, 둘, 셋. 둘, 셋. 감사합니다.
It reminds me of Kipper.
귀엽다.
Kipper? The dog? The cartoon? It's so cute. Look it up. It's adorable. It would help me sleep as a kid.
냉장고 열면서 냉장고 열다가 하는 걸로. 하고 자 릴리 언니.
Oh, definitely that's not... Ugh. There we go. That's not the right picture.
우리 오늘 뭐 해?
여러분 근데요.
근데요.
저희가 지금 이제 짧다 해도 짧고 길고도 길분
길분? 짧다면 짧고 길다면 긴? 이 말하고 싶었던 거야? 말하고 싶었던 거야?
NG 나 부끄러워.
방송용 말투.
방송 아니고 찐이었어요. 아무튼 여러분 저희가
그래 막내 말에
아주
집중해줘.
알차게 놀아야 돼요.
네.
제가 다 머릿속으로 플랜이
오.
짠.
믿음직스러운데.
그러므로 저희는
It's
지금
Franklin.
썰매를 타고 탈 거예요.
That does sound fun. See, I want to enjoy cold activities, but I never can because it's cold. I would love to slide and stuff. I just...
여기
I can't be outside in the cold so long.
바로 있어요. 바로 있어요? 역시.
와 걸어서 3시간 57분 걸려요. 하지만 차 타고는
차로
20분
20분 걸립니다.
차 타고는 18분밖에 안 걸려.
재밌겠다.
레고.
Lego. Dun, 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 dun.
안녕.
썰매장에 갑니다.
That was adorable.
나도. 사람 좀 배운 것 같은데.
기대돼.
I've never... I think I went... Like, we didn't... when I went to my cousin's house, they have like a little hill. And I think we sledded there
썰매
once.
괜찮아? 있나요?
Or I watched them sled, I don't know.
눈 감고.
Don't remember it. That's such a cute hat.
약간 전망대가 그런 데도 못 올라가?
올라가서 하늘만 보면 괜찮아. 이제 땅이 보이면 안 돼.
와.
자이로드롭 탈 때도 이제 올라가서 하늘 보는 건 되는데.
난 그 내려가는 느낌 때문에 못하는 거.
그 약간
The initial dip.
몸이랑 영혼이 분리되는 느낌.
맞아.
I completely... I think that's what it is. Because I'm not scared of heights, but I'm scared of roller coasters. That's why. That's a good way of explaining it. The, like, dip. Also, the ones that go upside down. That's just chaos. Y'all are just insane. I'm sorry. You're just crazy. If you enjoy that. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I'm just saying you're crazy. I would rather just stay upward. I do not wish to be upside down.
맞아.
But, yeah, the dip. The dip
높이가
is...
상상이 안 가네.
기대돼.
The like,
빠른 거 좋아.
썰매도 스키처럼 막 초중
very drastic shift. See, this is fine. I saw a treasure come here. It was like one of my favorite episodes because they just let them go and just we're like, okay, we're gonna record it.
됐다. 오, 도착했다.
Dun, dun, dun. Oh, look at the parent or the sibling, maybe whoever with the baby.
썰매 하러 왔어요.
너무
It's Franklin.
이거 솔직히 인정. 이거 솔직히
갑자기 그런 얘기를 했지 내가?
안녕하세요.
It's just the instinct. There's still rookies here.
저희 다들 어린이.
Trying to get that discount.
감사합니다.
이런 건 찍어줘야지 또.
야, 짱이다.
근데 진짜 막 눈이 얼어서 속도가 너무 빠르면 어떡해?
그런 거 좋아.
어렸을 때 썰매 무서워했단 말이지.
그래도 어린 친구들 다 타는데요, 뭐.
맞아요.
So,
어린이도 타는데요, 막.
하나도 왔는데?
that caption, what a great friendship.
지훈이 이거 봐. 우와. 기대된다.
우와, 야 우리 빨리 타자.
I feel like I fall off.
바로 탈 수 있는 거야?
난 파란 색깔 할래.
이거 썰매 골라서 가면
To be fair,
되나
I've
봐요.
gone
가자. 야 재밌겠다.
to a water park last summer. Ocean Breeze?
장갑 꼈어요.
Was it 3 times? 2 times. One with my cousin, and then one with my mom, her boyfriend, and his son. And I could do the 2 brides, but I didn't go on the one that like goes straight down, because that's crazy. Like I feel like how does that work? Gravity, it works, but I am not a fan.
난 기대된다.
All the Converse here is like they're all wearing Converse. Why are they not wearing boots? They're all wearing Converse. Is this a brand deal? That had to be a brand deal. I'm not like I'm a Converse girl. That's all I wear. But they're all wearing it. That has to be a brand deal. What song is this? See, that would have been me. Told you. Did that man have to help her, poor thing?
재밌어. 짱 재밌어. 짱 재밌어.
나 이제 잘 탈 수 있어.
응.
Lily!
언니 먼저 출발해.
He's not laughing. This man has no joy. I'm just kidding. He's being professional. Well, it's alright. Just laugh. Just laugh a little. That song sounds so familiar. This is a cute show name. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Alright. Alright. That was okay. Mood. We don't have to beg. That was exactly what I thought it would be. I definitely enjoyed that. I felt like I would enjoy this season more. Because there's certain groups, like I said, where why does it look weird? Where I enjoy the trip episodes, like the overnight stay over like things, and it's I don't know how to word this, but it's usually the more fun groups. Listen. There are groups who are fun to watch in variety, but maybe just when they're not made to do a game, they just want to chill. Like, that would be me. I would be, like, if I was an idol, I'd be super fun on variety stuff. Like, I'd be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna put forth the effort here. I'm gonna enjoy it. But then, if they're like, oh, we're going on an overnight thing, you can play games, you can do, no, I'm going to go paint or draw or, like, lay down. Like, that would be me. I am the boring person. So I'm saying this with love. But I feel like there are some groups where a lot of them are that way. So it kind of, the balance is, that's why I said 17 is really fun for that, because there's so many of the members. So if Woozi and June are sleeping and Vernon's watching a movie for like 2 episodes, it's not that I don't miss them, but I'm like, oh, it's cool. Like, I don't notice because 6 of them are playing foot volleyball and 5 of them are cooking. Like it that's why big groups are really fun to me, because a lot of them could be doing nothing, but there's like at least 4 doing something. And sometimes 2024 is the year of just saying honesty. I've in Hypen and even twice sometimes I'm like, oh yeah, I watch it because I love the group, but it's not like my favorite thing. But sometimes like for twice, because I love them so much, like they're like a alt group or like TXT, they don't do much sometimes. But because I love them, I can enjoy it. But there's like there's groups where I'm like, I can't even enjoy it. So that's why I'll usually opt out of things. But like NCT Dream, specifically Dream, not 127, specifically Dream, Stray Kids, NMIXX, we're adding NMIXX here, 17, like these groups, I'm like a treasure. I'll eat anything up from them. Like I'm like, oh, I can enjoy anything because I either love them so much or they're at least pretty entertaining in these shows. And it just has to do with their personality because maybe they just have more members that are eager to not, like they don't like to just chill. They want to have fun, which I respect. It could also be because they are younger, so they don't get tired as easily, even if they're technically tired. Like I think I'm still at the age where I joked that I would be the one sleeping, but honestly, I probably wouldn't. Like, I don't like to just not do anything if I'm away. Like, I feel like I have to make worth of that time off. Like, I'm like if when me and my cousin would go to North Carolina for a summer, we would always do something every day. And it's because we're both like off that time. So we want to do stuff. When she's here, I don't like to just sit. I'm like, let's go ziplining. Let's go to the arcade. Let's go see a movie. Like, I always want to do something because it feels like a waste. So maybe when I'm a little older, I will be the idol who's like, I'm off. I'm on vacation. I'm gonna go sleep. And I understand that because, so yeah, I feel like NMIXX, I knew they would be a group where I'm like, oh, I will actually like enjoy watching them because they didn't even do nothing. It's the first episode and they're like, let's go sledding. And they're just very young. I think that's also why I do enjoy watching younger idols because they never want to do nothing. Like they'll be off and they want to do stuff. And that's why I'm like, oh, there's definitely 5th gen groups I love watching. Like Zero Base One and stuff. And Boy Next Door. And it's because I have like my older groups that I'm like, oh, comfort idols, and then the younger groups just kind of re-euthanize me. They make me want to have fun, and it's very encouraging. But then there's also older groups who are in their 30s, like Super Junior stuff, where I'm like, they make me feel okay getting older because they're never boring either, or like 17 and stuff. They're not at that age yet, but like they still want to have fun and stuff, and it kind of works on both ends. The younger groups make me feel happy and youthful, but then the older groups don't make me feel like getting older is like a shame, and it's great. I love being in this era. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye.